Have you ever wanted to take a screenshot just by pressing the power button and immediately share it? This feature allows you to capture your screen and then instantly share the screenshot without searching for it in the gallery. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable this handy option, which will make sharing content with friends and family much easier. Get ready to discover how this useful trick can become part of your daily phone usage. So here's how it works. The first thing you need to do is find the Galaxy Store app and open it. Once you open it, search for the Good Lock app and install it if you don't have it yet. After installation, click on the Open button to directly open the Good Lock app. Once inside the Good Lock app, tap on the Life Up section. Then scroll down and look for the module called Registar. When you find it, tap the download icon. After doing that, wait a few moments for it to download and install. Once the installation is complete, go back to the top and you will see the module you just installed. Tap on it to open it. Immediately, you'll see a few options. Look for the side key, press and hold action option and tap on it. Now, the first thing you need to do is enable this option by tapping the toggle switch. Once it's enabled in this section, you'll see a list of options you can activate using the power button. Find the Take and Share Screenshot option and tap on it. Now let's test how this works. So press and hold the power button and it will take a screenshot. After that, the sharing option will open immediately where you can choose an app and send the image. However, if you don't want the sharing menu to open right away, tap the gear icon and then select the basic option. This way, pressing the power button will only take the screenshot without opening the sharing option. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.